Ever found yourself scrolling through crypto platforms, wondering if they're the real deal? Today, we're diving deep into one of those platforms, Uphold. Specifically, we're tackling a question many of you in the United States have asked: is Uphold legal here? It's a valid concern. The world of digital assets can feel like the Wild West sometimes, with regulations constantly evolving and new platforms popping up. You want to be sure your hard-earned money is safe and that the platform you're using operates within the bounds of the law. So, let's get straight to it. The short answer is yes, Uphold is legal in the United States. However, like many things in the realm of finance and technology, the full picture is a bit more nuanced. Uphold operates as a registered money services business, MSB, with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, a bureau of the U.S. Department of the Treasury. This registration is a crucial step for any platform dealing with digital currencies and fiat money within the United States. It signifies that Uphold has taken measures to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and counter-terrorist financing, CFT, regulations. Furthermore, Uphold adheres to state-specific regulations where required. Financial regulations in the U.S. can vary from state to state, and Uphold actively seeks and obtains the necessary licenses and approvals to operate legally in different jurisdictions across the country. This commitment to compliance demonstrates their intent to operate within the established legal frameworks. Now, while Uphold is legal, it's important to understand that the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency and digital asset platforms is still developing. This means that the specific rules and guidelines Uphold operates under can change as new legislation is introduced and existing regulations are clarified. It's also worth noting that the availability of specific features and services on Uphold might differ depending on your location within the United States. Some states might have specific restrictions or requirements that could affect the services offered to residents of those areas. Therefore, it's always a good idea to check the Uphold platform directly or their terms of service for the most up-to-date information regarding your specific state. Beyond legality, you might also be wondering about the security of your funds on Uphold. As a regulated entity, Uphold is expected to implement security measures to protect user assets and data. These measures often include encryption, two-factor authentication, and secure storage practices. However, it's crucial to remember that no platform is entirely immune to security risks, and users also have a responsibility to practice good security habits, such as using strong, unique passwords and being cautious of phishing attempts. In conclusion, Uphold is indeed legal in the United States, operating as a registered money services business and adhering to both federal and state regulations. This provides a level of assurance for users within the country. However, the regulatory environment for digital assets is dynamic, and service availability can vary by state. As a user, staying informed about these nuances and practicing good security habits remains essential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.